Eating in a way that supports good health doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, healthy food is often less expensive than unhealthy food. Even if you're on a budget, you can still follow an extremely healthy diet. There's no reason to resort to unhealthy foods just because you're not flush with cash. Hi there, I'm Nisha. As a seasoned business owner and financial coach, I'm here to help women over 50 take control of their finances. Let's navigate the complexities of money together. Okay, let's use these techniques to eat well without spending a lot of money. Have a positive opinion about frugality because many people resent being frugal and are embarrassed by it. Believing that frugality is a good thing makes sticking to a tight budget much easier. It's just food. There's no reason to overspend on something that only stays with you for 24 hours anyway. Be serious about your health. Healthy foods can be delicious. Make your health a true priority, and eating healthier becomes a real possibility. Make a healthy food list. When you're on a budget, the right foods for your list are both healthy and inexpensive. They must also be foods that you love to eat. There's no reason to purchase foods that you won't eat, no matter how cheap and how nutritious they might be. Allow the entire family to help make the list and include their preferences too. Generic foods can be just as healthy and tasty as the name brands. Store brands are much less expensive too. A can of green beans is just green beans, regardless of which company is putting it in the can. And coupons. It can be a little annoying to be waiting behind that person with all the coupons, but don't let that stop you from using coupons yourself. You can spend the money you save on something else. Look for sales by walking around the store. You can see what's available. Check out the store's website before you leave the house. There's always something on sale. Maybe one of those things will happen to be something tasty and nutritious. Fruits and vegetables are also a great option. There are few fruits and vegetables that can be expensive, but most are quite economical. Most vegetables are low in calories and quite filling. Fruit can be a nice substitute for dessert and also waste less. Americans throw food out a lot. There are a lot of numbers thrown around, from 1 pound of food per day to 106 pounds per year. Regardless of the correct number, it's higher than it should be or needs to be. Remember, you pay for that food, even if it ends up in the trash. A good way to save money is to only buy what you need and to eat everything you prepare. Add nutrition to the meals you already love to eat and your family loves to eat. So do you love pizza? So instead of ordering a large pizza, you could order a medium one and make a salad. You can prepare brown rice instead of white rice. You can use a sweetener or other cane sugar. You can make a baked potato instead of French fries. You can drink more water instead of sodas, and it's least expensive, and it's all year round. It's available. It's one of those healthy drinks. Drinking more water will boost your health and save you money at the same time. Okay, so I want to share with you that I practice what I preach. And these are the items that I'm going to show you that I use that are store brand, and also what I do to prepare so I don't have to eat out and I can just eat at home. So for breakfast, when I like to have my oatmeal, I use the store brand oatmeal. I do like the old fashioned oatmeal, and I use the store brand raisins as well, which I don't have. And yes, I do. I have the raisins here, the store brand raisins that I have. Let me turn that around. I have the store brand raisins, and I can make my oatmeal. I have the measuring cup, so I stay within the recommended amount. So I have my measuring cup as well. And then that fills me up. And then, like I said previously, if I'm not full from this, and then I can add some nuts to it as well, which also are store brand, then I make myself a cup of tea. So I drink green tea, and that saves me a lot because I don't have to think about it. I just pop my water in the microwave on my tea kettle, and I drink this, and it can make me full. And if I still not full, which is highly doubtful, then I just make myself another cup. So this is what I have for breakfast. I can use this. I use maybe the store bought Greek yogurt, but I usually have something like this for breakfast. Okay, so that's one thing there. I also say for like breakfast or a snack, then I can just, if you can see this, I boil like several eggs. So I can have this for breakfast or I can have this for lunch. So I just boil some eggs and I just keep them already ready in the refrigerator. I like to warm mine up and I put hot sauce on mine. I just like hot sauce on my eggs. Also, something else that fills me up, I have store brand. Let me show you this. I have coffee. So I make my own coffee. I don't go out. Very seldom do I go out and have coffee from like a Starbucks or whatever. Very seldom. So then I make my own coffee at home, which is also the store brand, and it saves me a lot of money. And I can drink. I'm thinking maybe one cup costs me less than $1 when I have it at home, and I have my own creamer, store brand as well, which I didn't bring that to the camera. But this is what I have, and this fills me up. Then, like I said before, if it doesn't, then my go-to. This kind of fills me up in the morning, but my go-to, if I'm hungry throughout the day, my go-to is my tea. And then for lunch, another thing that I do is, I don't know if you can see this, is that when I make my lettuce, when I have a salad, I cut my own lettuce up because I do like having my vegetables. I chop my own lettuce because I don't buy the bags already prepared. I just clean my own lettuce and I cut it up and I chop it and I keep it in a bowl. So those are the ways that I do to keep my budget down and to keep me on budget so I have more money left for my savings. So thank you guys for watching that, and we'll get back to the video. Consume healthy bulk foods, because bulk foods in this context is something that is inexpensive, better for your pocket, and can serve as a major source of calories. For example, rice, oats, and beans are bulk foods. Bulk foods are very inexpensive and can be nutritious too. Remember, a couple of potatoes cost less than a bag of chips, and they're healthier too. The next time you do your grocery shopping, see how little you can spend while feeding your family nutritious foods. Make a game out of it. Let me tell you what has helped me. When I finish eating a healthy meal and I'm not feeling full, I just make myself a cup of hot tea. It takes the place of dessert and is very satisfying. So your children or husband might complain at first, but they'll happily eat when they are hungry, and they'll get used to the new norm. You can enhance your family's health while saving money. Remember, it's all about taking small steps to create big changes. If you have questions or need more guidance, feel free to reach out. You can email me directly at info@westonfinancialservices.com for personalized advice or to share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to comment below and to like and subscribe. As always, I'm cheering for you. Until next time, take care.